Hi everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step solutions on how to fix CapCut not exporting problems on mobile. Now let's get started. Method 1. Update CapCut app. First, ensure that you're using the latest version of CapCut. Step 1. Open the App Store on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to check for any available app updates. Step 4. If CapCut appears in the update list, tap the Update button next to it to install the latest version. Method 2. Check iPhone storage. Low storage space can often cause exporting problems. Let's check your device's storage. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General to access General Settings. Step 3. Tap on iPhone Storage to view your device's storage details. Step 4. Check the available storage space at the top of the screen. Step 5. If your storage is low, free up space by deleting unnecessary files, apps, or photos. Method 3. Delete unused projects in CapCut. Unused projects can take up valuable storage space. Let's clean them up. Step 1. Open the CapCut app on your device. Step 2. Tap the pencil icon on the project screen to enter edit mode. Step 3. Tap the Select button and choose the projects you want to delete. Step 4. Tap Move to Trash. Sure and confirm by tapping Move to delete the selected projects. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and fixes.